Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I talk about money, mindset, and how to rebuild your life from zero. So if you're ready to start creating a new future for yourself, hit that subscribe button because this channel is made for people who want more out of life. If you feel like you've hit rock bottom, maybe that's exactly where your real story begins. Sometimes, life pushes you so hard that you think it's over. You've lost your job, your business failed, your savings are gone, and you wake up wondering how everything fell apart. But here's the truth, no one likes to admit, hitting the bottom isn't the end, it's the start of the climb. Every successful person you admire has stood where you are right now, confused, broke, scared, and exhausted, but they made one simple decision: I'm not done. I'm starting again. Success never begins when everything is perfect. It starts when you decide to move, despite the mess. It starts when you act without waiting for confidence. The internet has turned the entire world into a playground of opportunity. You need an office, a big investment, or permission. All you need is an idea, patience, and the courage to begin. You can build a business from your laptop, your phone, even from a single room. The truth is, success isn't about luck. It's about persistence. The difference between those who rise and those who stay down is the decision to start small and never stop. Everyone is waiting for the perfect moment to begin, but the perfect moment never comes. The moment you take action, that's when your life begins to change. Starting from zero doesn't make you weak, it makes you free. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. When you're at the bottom, the only direction left is up. You might not have money, support, or resources, but you still have something powerful: the will to try. Willpower is the engine that moves the impossible. Every big business you see today started with a small idea and a simple step. Don't wait to have it all figured out. Clarity comes from action, not thinking. Do what you know, use what you have, and begin where you are. If you love design, create templates and sell them. If you're good with money, make Excel sheets that help people save. If you're good at talking, share your lessons online. There's no idea too small, because somewhere out there, someone needs exactly what you know. The online world doesn't reward perfection, it rewards consistency. Spend an hour a day learning something new. Watch tutorials, read, experiment. Within a few months, you'll realize you've built something real. Even if you make your first $10, it's proof that you can. That first sale, no matter how small, changes something inside you. It proves that you can create value from nothing. But you have to be patient. Online success is not a sprint, it's like planting seeds. You water them with effort, you wait, you trust the process. It might take months before you see results, but when they come big. The market doesn't need more geniuses. It needs people who don't quit. Every failure is just a free lesson. Every rejection is redirection. Every setback is a test. The people who win online are not the smartest, they're the most consistent. They show up when no one watches. They post when no one claps. They keep building when it feels pointless. And one day, everything clicks. If you're broke right now, use that as fuel. Pressure builds diamonds. When you've got nothing to lose, you become unstoppable. Create your first digital product, even if it's rough. Offer your first service, even if it's basic. Upload your first video, even if it's not perfect. Don't wait until you feel ready, because readiness comes after you start. Think like an investor, not an employee. Employees trade time for money. Investors build systems that make money while they sleep. Your online business is that system. So, here's your plan. Start now. Identify one skill, one product, or one message you can share with the world. Learn a little every day. Take imperfect action. Tell your story honestly. People connect with honesty more than perfection. Don't compare your start to someone else's middle. Everyone begins at zero. Stay consistent for 90 days. Don't judge results. Focus on effort. The results will follow. And when it gets hard, because it will remember why you started. Remember those nights you couldn't sleep from stress. Remember the fear of checking your bank account. Remember the promises you made to yourself. Keep going for that version of you who refused to quit. A year from now, you'll look back and realize that this exact moment, the one you thought was the end, was actually your rebirth. You don't need permission to change your life. You don't need luck, or validation, or perfect timing. You just need that one decision, the decision to begin now. Don't fear failure. Fear regret, because people don't regret trying and failing, they regret never trying at all. The only person who can stop you is you. Stop saying someday. Make today day one. Every small step you take compounds. Every single hour of focused effort is building a future you can't yet see. Keep stacking small wins. They add up faster than you think. The internet rewards those who are patient, persistent, and real. So be real, stay patient, and never stop showing up. If you're listening to this and something inside you feels awake again, don't ignore it. That's your future calling. That's the part of you that knows you're meant for more. Don't silence it with excuses or fear. Feed it with action. Thanks for watching, and if this message spoke to you, subscribe to the channel. Share it with someone who needs it, and remember, the only real failure is never starting.